This is how to assemble the ERA300 Premium Floor stand. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 base plate screws, 2 speaker fixing screws, 1 speaker holder screw, 4 floor spikes, 4 felt feet, 1 Allen key, speaker holder, base plate, and an aluminum tube. Please be reminded that only one product is shown in this video. For the twin pack, your order will include twice the quantity of each part. Now let's start assembling the floor stand. Start by removing the base plate screws from the aluminum tube. Then insert the speaker's power cable through the base plate and through the aluminum tube. Next, connect the aluminum tube to the base plate, then lock it in place with the base plate screws. You can install the provided floor spikes at this point for added stability and aesthetic appeal. Or you can use the provided felt feet for smoother flooring types. Next, attach the speaker holder to the aluminum tube. Then, lock it in place using the provided screw. Next, place the speaker on top of the speaker holder. Then lock it in place with the speaker fixing screws. Lastly, connect the power cable at the back of the speaker